The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Lake County in northeastern Illinois, eastern Cook County in northeastern Illinois, north central Will County in northeastern Illinois, central McHenry County in northeastern Illinois, until 6 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., a confirmed large and extremely dangerous tornado was located over Douglas Park, or near Chicago, moving southeast at 60 miles per hour. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: radar confirmed tornado. Impact: you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. The tornado will be near McHenry and Gurnee around 5:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by the stormatic thunderstorm include Rogers Park, Lincoln Park Zoo, Logan Square, the Illinois State University, Arlington Heights, Crestwood, North Park, Wrigley Field, Humboldt Park, the Museum of Science and Industry, Northwest University, Loyola University, Bridgeport, Lakeview, Oak Lawn, Chicago Lawn, Midway Airport, Evergreen Park, Uptown, Jefferson Park, Stone Park, North Center, York Center, Oakland Community College, Rogers Park, McHenry and Triton College, including the following interstates: Interstate 88 near mile marker 140, Interstate 90 between mile markers 72 and 84, Interstate 94 between mile markers 31 and 48, Interstate 290 between mile markers 4 and 16, Interstate 294 between mile markers 31 and 48. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows, if in a mobile home, a vehicle, or outdoors. Move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 6 p.m. Central Standard Time for the following counties in Illinois: Lake, Cook, Will, and McHenry.